Millions of Americans drink prime energy drink thinking that it is healthy, but nobody tells them what is really hiding inside. So watch this video till the end and I will tell you, and I will show you step by step that how this drink is made, that how this energy drink are made.
Before the transformation begins, the raw elements must undergo a rigorous purification process. High-velocity thermal air ensures every fiber is dry and primed for the high-standard environment ahead. Every unit is scanned. Digital precision ensures only the optimal candidates move into the core. Consistency is the heartbeat of this facility. The journey forward is calculated and constant. Weight calibration must be absolute.
Weight is stable at
In this
29.5
factory,
kilograms.
there is no margin
Good.
for error.
Next dog, step forward.
A final sanitary barrier prevents external contaminants from entering the sterile transformation zone. Welcome to the heart of the operation, where raw nature meets industrial scale. RFID tracking allows our workers to monitor every moving part in real time. Thermal mapping reveals what the human eye cannot see, ensuring internal integrity. Precision grooming removes microscopic debris, preparing the surface for essence extraction. The threshold is crossed. Here, the physical state begins its mechanical evolution. We extract the golden essence, a shimmering vapor that becomes the base of the prime formula. In the infusion vats, the essence is stabilized with minerals, creating a new, durable compound. Molten minerals are cast into molds, capturing the unique golden swirl of the harvest. Liquid nitrogen flash freezes the material, locking in the molecular structure instantly. From the molds, the solidified blocks emerge, raw material now shaped for human design. Diamond-tipped blades slice through the marble-like blocks with terrifying accuracy. A chemical polish strips away the dullness, revealing the brilliant, mirror-like finish beneath. Laser etching applies the mark of quality. The Prime logo is now permanent. Micrometer checks verify the thickness. Precision is the difference between good and perfect. Automation takes over. High-speed robotics handle the product with sub-millimeter grace. Vacuum lamination creates an invisible shield, protecting the golden product from the elements the airlock clears. We enter the realm of the machines, where 10,000 cans move as one. Ionized air rinses the aluminum, stripping away the static of the outside world. The filling node is a masterpiece of fluid dynamics, exact, clean, and incredibly fast. Hovering on magnetic rails, the cans glide toward the final seal at 60 miles per hour. Neural cameras analyze every seal. If it isn't perfect, it doesn't leave this floor. The iconic Prime branding is applied. The vibrant skin for a powerful energy source. Steam shrink tunnels perform the liquid to the metal, giving a seamless tactile finish. Acoustic testing ensures the carbonation is hit with the perfect frequency. UV light sterilizes the exterior, ensuring every can is as clean as the liquid is sealed. A fiber laser carves the batch code. A digital thumbprint for global tracking. Vertical elevators move the road. The factory's scale is matched only by its ambition. Automation phase complete. The liquid is trapped, labeled, and ready for the world human needs. Single streams become parallel lines, geometry and mass production in motion. Cardboard trays are formed in a heartbeat, ready to carry the weight of the brand. Vacuum gantries. Building a